Hello everyone, good evening. This is Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor. So guys, this is our demonstration class, and in this demo I'm going to describe you how you can manage your WordPress server over Amazon Web Services with the help of EC2 instance. So guys, before we start to our demonstration, I'm going to describe something about myself. So I'm Manjeet Rawat. I have a total 12 year experience in IT industry and approximately 8 year experience in especially training and education, and I have a 4.5 year experience in cloud technology, especially cloud and virtualization, and I am able to provide training with multiple technologies like Amazon Web Services, associate level and architect level. In Microsoft Azure, I am able to deliver admin and architect part, and I'm also able to deliver the virtualization like the VMware 6.0, 6.5, and 6.7 as well. And if anyone would want to know about the Mac operating system, like as a Mojave operating system, so I'm able to provide the training over a Mac OS as well. So guys, I'm providing online training from last four year. I'm working with various vendor in India who provide the online training to our international candidate. So guys, till a date I have already trained up to 100 plus 1000 plus batches, included the classroom and online training as well. So I have already taken the lot of corporate batches for different technologies like as for Amazon and for Microsoft Azure and VMware as well. So guys, I'm Azure certified. In Azure, I have a certification of 70532 and 35. I'm a MCSA and MCSA also certified. So guys, I have already worked for various clients, various corporate clients like MSS Solution, Apex Services, CMS IT Services, IT by Design, SSDN Technology, and etc. So guys, I'm just going to start our demonstration. So first of all, I need to describe about the agenda, what we need to cover. So in this class, in this demonstration, we will discuss about the EC2, and we'll create a one WordPress server, and how we can create a website with the help of WordPress server. And as an admin, how we can take the backup and recovery as well. We will discuss all of them in our demonstration class. So guys, first of all, just try to understand about the EC2. Just start our demonstration with Amazon EC2. So what is EC2? So EC2 is basically Elastic Cloud Compute. So with the help of Elastic Cloud Compute, you can create your virtual machine. Like if you create your virtual machine over Microsoft Azure or Google Cloud, so Google Cloud and Azure says virtual machine. But if you're talking about Amazon Web Services, so in the Amazon Web Services, you can say that instances, EC2 instances. So guys, with the help of Amazon EC2, you are able to create any kind of operating system based machine, like you are planning to create your Linux operating system, or you are planning to create your Windows operating system or databases, so you can directly create with the help of EC2 instance. So we'll discuss practically as well by using our own AWS portal. So this is the basic information about the Amazon EC2. Second, if we talking about the WordPress, so you can say that WordPress is a basically CRM based tool or CRM based server that give you option, that give you a platform to design or create your own website without using any code or languages. Means if you don't have idea, you don't know about the coding or languages, and you are planning to design your own website. So with the help of Amazon WordPress or a simple WordPress, you can create and design your own website. So guys, we'll discuss how to create a WordPress server over Amazon Web Services, and up to if we're talking about the WordPress, so WordPress server used up to 35.2% in the worldwide. Means you can say that the worldwide websites are running 35% of websites are running with the help of WordPress servers. And finally, we'll discuss about how we can design, how we can access our dashboard of our WordPress, and with the help of dashboard you are able to create your own website and host your website with the help of AWS. So guys, this is our agenda. I'm just going to describe about the practical by using our own AWS portal. So what you need to do, just open any browser, and over a browser you need to log in your AWS portal by using the aws.amazon.com, and this is the login panel. If you have already created your account, you can directly sign in. If you are new with Amazon Web Services, you need to sign up yourself with the help of your credit card and mail ID and phone number. So guys, I have already purchased my Amazon subscription. So this is the Amazon portal, and over Amazon portal we are able to see we have a one option compute. So under the compute we are able to see EC2. So as we discussed, EC2 instance is the Elastic Cloud Compute, and by using the Elastic Cloud Compute, you are able to create any kind of virtual machines. So I'm going to open our EC2, and this is our EC2 dashboard. If we're talking about the running instances, there are no any running instances available. Just click on the running instance and try to create one WordPress server. Just click on the launch, and whenever you click launch, it gives you option to create and choose your operating system. So here we have a lot of options available like My EMI, Amazon Marketplace, Community EMIs, and free trial. So we are planning to purchase the WordPress, and WordPress is a different than Amazon because WordPress is a separate vendor and Amazon is a separate vendor. So we need to search our WordPress image by using the option of AWS Marketplace. So just click on the marketplace and type WordPress, right? And press enter. When you type the WordPress, it gives you a lot of images, lot of template related to the WordPress server. Just select anyone and create your virtual machine. The first option, choose an AMI. In the choose an AMI, you need to select the operating system, and then you need to select the choose the instance type. So in the instance type, you need to decide the hardware configuration of your virtual machine that you are planning to create. So I am going to proceed with free trial. In free trial, we will get a 1 core CPU and 1 gig of RAM. No need to make any changes. Just click next. How many virtual machine you are planning to create? You can type here. So we are planning to create only single virtual machine. That's why I'm going to proceed with 1 and click next. Another option is related to the storage. So we are creating a Linux operating system. That's why we are able to get a 10 gig of hard drive. But if you plan to increase the size of hard drive, you can do that. No need to do here. I'm going to use the free trial. That's why just click next. And one of important options, security group. So security group is work just like you can say that virtual firewall. And by using the security group, you can add or remove inbound and outbound port. Means you want to provide the access of outer network, or you want to deny the access of network. You can do with the help of security group. And finally, you need to give you a one key, like I'm going to use test WP key, right? So you need to type the key name because the key is important. It's a work just like a, you can say that it works just like a password for your virtual machine. Once you download, just click instance, create instance. And now Amazon will take up to 3 to 5 minutes, and after 3 to 5 minutes, you are able to see your virtual machine successfully running. And then we will design our website without using any code or languages. So guys, this is our WordPress machine. I'm just going to type the name WordPress, right? And click OK. It will take up to 2 to 3 minutes. So we just need to wait up to 3 minutes. Okay, so we successfully created our virtual machine. So what you need to do, you just need to copy the public IP and paste on any browser. I'm going to open my Google Chrome and just paste here, right? And you are able to see one image, one website is successfully running, but unfortunately it's a default website, and you are planning to design you are planning to create your own website. So what you need to do, you need to open the dashboard, and dashboard of WordPress can help you to design and create your website. So how we can get the dashboard? So just paste your public IP address /wp-admin, right? When you use wp-admin, it gives you the login panel, and you just need to use username. By default, username is user, and you need to find your password from the dashboard, from the Amazon portal. You just need to right click on your virtual machine and go to the setting, and instance setting, we have a one option called get system log. So when you open the get system log, you have option to find the password. So you just need to drop it the panel, green panel, and you just need to identify. See, this is the place where you can find the password. Setting Bitnami application password. You just need to copy it. I'm going to copy it and just paste on your password site and press enter. Now we successfully log in our dashboard of WordPress, and with the help of this dashboard, you are able to design your website by using the themes, by using the plugin. So this is the basic information. I'm just going to show you one practical. Just click on the post and click new post. I'm going to create a simple dummy website for understanding how WordPress can work. So just open it and you need to type here, like I'm going to use online AWS class, right? And type something like become cloud expert. Okay, and if you want to upload any image or video, so just need to click on the plus icon and go to the gallery and click upload and choose any image from your on premises in the sense from your local machine. So I'm going to upload one AWS image, AWS PNG image. Okay, and you need to click on the publish. Once you click on the publish, now back to the portal and copy the public IP address again and paste on any browser to check the changes. So this is the changes that we configure online class become expert. So guys, this is the basic demonstration related to the WordPress, how you can execute, how you can create your WordPress server over Amazon. So guys, I hope you understand about the procedure, how you can perform the task. So guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll meet soon with new video. Thank you.